Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can draw this particular pattern. Okay, so first what we have done is we have written our pattern and written down a box around it, and we have written all the I values and j values. Okay, I here I'm taking it as rows, and j I'm taking it as columns. Okay, so I will start from 1 till 5, so that is the first loop we are going to write. Okay, so inside every I loop there will be a j loop running from 1 to 9 times. So because we have that many number of columns over here. Okay, and on all the indexes of j where I want to see the number, that we have written down here, and we have come up with a j conditional statement that if this condition satisfies for I equal to 1, okay, then only we should see that particular number which we have going to print it here. Okay, and if this if condition doesn't satisfies, okay, then we are going to see the white spaces all around it. Okay, see, this is the white space which it is going to print. Okay, so this code is either to print these numbers or print these white spaces around it. Okay, so this is the final condition of j which we have written over here, which will give us this particular shape. Okay, now coming to this particular number. Okay, as I'm seeing this number, it starts every time with 1. Okay, whenever the I loop has started, this particular number is 1 itself. Okay, and till it reaches the index 5, okay, it increments itself. See guys, if I take this line number 3 where I equal to 3, it starts with 1. Okay, then until it reaches the j index 5, it increments itself to 2, and then again it will increment itself to 3. But as soon as it reaches the index 6, it starts decrementing to 2, then 1. Okay, see guys, this is inside that if condition. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, see, whenever the program starts from the I loop, okay, I'm going to initialize a value like this here. Okay, so let me come up to this drawing over here. See guys, my number is going to be, I'll initialize a number which will be 0. Okay, and when the if condition starts, see guys, this triangle portion is the if condition from the 5th index, like this. Okay, I'm going to say inside the if condition, okay, if j value, see, whatever the j value, if it is less than 6, you please start incrementing this number. Okay, so here what I'm going to say like this, inside the if condition, if I'm going to say if j is less than 6, you start incrementing the number. Okay, or else you start decrementing that number and minus, because as soon as it reaches 6, okay, it starts decrementing again. Okay, so here number value is 0. Okay, it will check whether j is less than 6 by the time it reaches here. Okay, inside the if condition. Okay, see guys, 5 will be less than 6. Okay, so what it has to do, the number from 0 it will become as 1. Okay, because of this condition. Okay, because first value it is going to check inside the if condition is this one, whether 5 is less than 6 or not. Okay, so next time when I is equal to 2, okay, the number will start from 0 itself, because I would have initialized inside the I loop. Okay, now when the if condition, this if condition starts, okay, what I'm going to do is, first it is going to check whether 4 is less than 6. Okay, if it is true, then what you have to do with this number, you have to increment, so 0 becomes 1. Okay, next, whether 5 is less than 6, yes, so what it is going to do, it is going to increment 1 to 2. Then is 6 less than 6? No. So what it is going to do, it is going to start decrementing the number, because it is going to come to this else part like this. Okay, so this is the way, in every time it is going to increment until it is 5, then again it will start decrementing like this. So again like this, 4, and then 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then as soon as j becomes 6, it starts decrementing itself, 3, 2 and 1. So this is how you are going to print this particular pattern. Okay, so now let me just show like this, and let me just increase the size of this. Okay, so now here when I start the I loop, okay, I'm going to initialize a number, okay, which starts from 0. Okay, now as soon as this condition is inside the j loop, it comes. Okay, here inside the if condition, I'm going to say like this. Okay, check if the j value, okay, whatever j value which it is running, if it is less than 6, okay, open curly braces, and say what you have to do, you have to increment the number num plus plus, close the curly braces like this. Okay, and here I will write the else part. Okay, as soon as j reaches 6, what you have to do, you have to start decrementing the number one more time like this. Okay, so whatever value of this number you are going to get, that you are going to print it in the if condition. This is the main if condition to print that particular number, or else it is going to print the space. Okay, so now let's write that program over here. Okay, in IntelliJ. So I'm going to say integer num value every time the line changes, means every time the program starts from the I loop, it is going to be 0 itself. Okay, now I'll come inside the if condition, okay, and say if j value is less than 6, then I'll open curly braces and say number plus plus you do. Okay, close the curly braces, or else I'll open curly braces again and I'll say number minus minus like this. Okay, and close the curly braces one more time, and whatever value of this number might be, that I'm going to print here inside this if condition. Okay, if this condition satisfies, then it is going to print that number, or else it is going to print that space. Okay, and every time the j loop ends, I'm going to change the line. Okay, so as soon as we change the line, okay, so the next I loop, it is going to start with the next number, and next code it is going to find is the number has been initialized to 0. So let me save this program and let us run this program once. Okay, see guys, we have got the perfect pattern which we were looking for. Every time the value starts with 1 itself, and by the time it reaches the index value 5, it increments itself and then again starts decrementing from the index 6. So every line it is going to print like this: 1 2 3 4, then 3 2 1. Here at the last line, 1 2 3 4 5, then 4 3 2 1. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.